Well, this is the first day that we've actually had a video camera, so now it's time to have a look at what we've captured with it. Just making sure it all works. Hi Nan. Not sure what to make of it, is he? Hi Nan.
It's raining again. Bits have gone wonky. Oh, you know, daffodil.
Well, here I am trying out this new little toy of mine. It's working pretty well, I think. Well, not bad. Well, this is being filmed from inside the house through the window, and I can say that ADT box is probably 50-60 feet at least from where I'm sitting. So that's how tight the zoom is, but it looks pretty clear from here. Not used to holding a video camera just at the moment, so that's why it's a bit wobbly. This is very obviously a computer screen. Yes, I'm quite impressed so far with this camera. It's very easy to use, it even has an easy mode on it. Has a little light on it, which is quite good actually, because if I just turn it off, you can see that it is actually quite effective. albeit it does obviously reduce the battery life. Now, I read reports saying that low light performance wasn't actually very good. I would beg to differ with that, because I'm pointing it into some low light and you can see that, well, looking on the monitor, the picture quality isn't bad. Yes, it does look a little grainy, but we can't really tell how good it is until we get it on the computer. Speaking of which, that's what I'll do. Well, I'm just putting the self timer and a few other bits and pieces to the test. And let's see what happens if I turn the light on with this. With my back to the window, it's not great, is it? It hardly makes any difference at all. Thank you, Einan, for your contribution. Now that's with the backlight control on. You can see a little bit more of me, but not an awful lot. Some might think that was a good thing. Try the lighting again. Yeah, makes a bit more difference. Slightly reddish tinge, but it's possibly also because it's hot in here. Well, we'll see. I'm stopping it now. And then who's a lovely boy, eh? Who's a lovely moggy? Who's a lovely mog of chops?